Hello friends, welcome to your channel Arohi Classes, and in today's lecture we will discuss the input impedance of the antenna, and with the help of input impedance we will try to calculate radiated power, power loss in the antenna and power loss in the source. Okay, so this is the block diagram of the antenna. Antenna is represented by a block of lossy energy storage. Antenna is a nothing but lossy energy storage element which is connected to the source, and output of the antenna is radiated power, output radiated power. This is the equivalent circuit of the source, where Vg is the voltage of the source and Zg is the internal impedance of the source. And there are three impedances in the antennas. RL is the loss resistance, RR represents the radiation resistance, and XA represents the reactance of the antenna. And this is the input terminal of the antenna, and Ig is the current which is flowing through this whole circuit from source to antenna. Input impedance. The input impedance of the antenna at terminal AA dash will be equal to voltage divided by current at plane AA dash. Okay, so we can write here ZA equal to RA plus J XA, where XA is the reactance of the antenna and RA is the total resistance of the antenna. RA equal to RR plus RL, where RR is the radiation resistance of the antenna and RL is the loss resistance of the antenna. Zg is the source impedance, which is equal to Rg plus Jxg. This is the internal impedance of the source, or you can say Thevenin impedance of the source. So Ig will be equal to Vg divided by total impedance of the circuit, total impedance of the circuit, Za plus Zg. This is the value of the current, and mod of Ig will be equal to mod of Vg divided by Rr plus RL plus Rg whole square plus XA plus XG whole square whole power half. Now see here, we have calculated the value of current. With the help of this current we can find the losses. यहाँ पे Ig का वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर लिया है, टोटल वैल्यू ऑफ करंट. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ वैल्यू ऑफ Ig वी कैन कैलकुलेट पावर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. पावर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. So first, power radiated. Power radiated. So power radiated, जितना पावर आर रेडिएशन रेजिस्टेंस में लॉस हो रहा है, दैट इज़ नथिंग बट योर पावर रेडिएटेड बाय द एंटीना. एंड पावर लॉस इन द एंटीना, जितना पावर आर एल में लॉस हो रहा है, दैट इज़ नथिंग बट द पावर लॉस इन द एंटीना. Okay, so see here, power radiated PR equal to half Ig square into RR. This is the power radiated by the antenna, and power loss in the antenna PL equal to half mod of Ig square into RL. Power loss in the source, power loss in the source Pg equal to half mod of Ig square into Rg. This is the power loss into the source. For maximum power delivered to the antenna, for maximum power delivered to the antenna, RR plus RL should be equal to Rg and XA equal to minus Xc. This is nothing but the condition of maximum power transfer theorem. Impedance, the real part of the impedance, load impedance and source impedance should be equal, and the imaginary part of the impedance should be complex conjugate matching. Okay, if the impedance are there should be conjugate matching for maximum power transfer theorem. Under this condition, radiated power will be equal to, when we put this condition in the above formula, we get mod of Vg square divided by 8 RR divided by RR plus RL whole square. Power loss in the source equal to Pg equal to mod of Vg square divided by 8 Rg. This is the power loss into the source. Third, power loss in the antenna. PL equal to mod of Vg square divided by 8 RL divided by RR plus RL whole square. Power supply by the source power supplied by the source PS equal to half Vg Ig complex conjugate. When we put the value, we get mod of Vg square divided by 4 1 divided by RR plus RL. Under conjugate matching, PS equal to mod of Vg square divided by 4 1 divided by Rg. Thus 50% power lost in the internal resistance of source out of 50% power entering in antenna, some power is lost in the antenna. Some power is lost in the antenna structure and remaining is radiation. Remaining is radiated through radiation resistance. So these are the power which we have calculated in the antenna as a transmitting mode, antenna in the transmitting mode. Okay, in next lecture we will calculate all this power when the antenna is working as a receiving mode. तो आज के वीडियो में बस इतना ही। अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ इसको लाइक कीजिए, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और इस वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए। धन्यवाद।